Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to fix low volume on the Samsung Galaxy A57. So if you feel like your volume is too low or kind of muted on your phone, I'm going to show you a few things that you can do to fix that. So the first thing that we're going to try is to adjust the media or call volume. And to do that, all you have to do is press the volume keys to open up this menu right here, and then click on the three dots. So this is going to open up this volume mixer menu where you can change the volume of different things on your phone. So just increase the ones that you need. So like the media, the ringtone, the notifications, and system. And you can do AI assistant, so just increase all of these to see if that helps. And the next thing that we're going to try is disabling Do Not Disturb mode. So Do Not Disturb mode might be making the volume quieter. So for example, the notifications are going to be muted, and you can do other things. So just make sure you disable it by clicking on by going to the control panel, and then finding the Do Not Disturb option. So if it's not here, you can click on the pen icon to edit the menu. So click on the edit button right here, and then make sure that you have the Do Not Disturb option added. And to add it, all you need to do is press on Add the Control, find the Do Not Disturb option. There it is. Tap on it, and it's going to get added. Now you can drag it pretty much anywhere you want. So I'm going to drop it right here. And now if you exit out, as you can see, the Do Not Disturb option will be right here. So just make sure to disable Do Not Disturb. And now we can move on to the next one. What you can also try doing is cleaning the speaker or the headphone port on your device. So just take out all of the dirt with a non-metallic item, like maybe a brush or anything like that, and just clean it out, the bottom speaker and the top speaker. Clean both of them out to get all of the dirt out. Then the next thing that you can try doing is testing the volume in safe mode. So to enable safe mode, we need to go to the control panel, press the power icon, and then hold on the power off, and then click safe mode. So what safe mode does is it basically disables the third-party apps on your phone, so your phone is in its base state without getting affected by any of the apps that you've installed. So just test out the volume in that mode, and then once you're done, you can restart your phone to go back to the normal phone mode. And the last thing you can try doing is updating the software. And to do that, we need to open up the settings, scroll down to software update, and click check for updates. So if you do have an update, make sure to update your phone by going through the guide process. It's pretty straightforward. And once you're done, you're going to be on the newest version, and it might fix some of the audio bugs. And that is pretty much it for this video. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.